Previously on Toro Family Reality
Fowler
Show.
Online Live Studio.
Welcome sa bahay ng Team Happy.
And this is my room. This is all of my pajamas.
It's a prank. It's a prank? It's gonna last forever?
Yeah.
Last forever?
Star Family Reality Show Season 5!
Alam nyo ba na napakabait ni Tyrone niya na anak? Paano ko nasabi? Ganito kasi yun. Hindi ako nagdidesisyon sa anak ng iba or hindi ko talaga tinatapos na ganun sila, ganun yun. As na-experience ko din nung 13 years old ako, wala talaga akong pake sa parents ko o sa mga nagbabantay sa akin. Pagka talagang nasa labas na ako, nasa labas lang ako. Kahit pa uwiin ako, hindi ako uuwi. At pagka nag-message or talagang tumawag nila sila sa akin, tutuloy ko pa rin kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa labas or what. Pero si Tyrone niya, iba siya. Sobrang na-appreciate ko si Tyrone niya kasi bilang isang 13 years old, hindi niya pinagpapalit ang mga magulang niya sa kahit anong ginagawa niya. Para sa akin, napaka-rare na nung ganun. Sipin niyo yun, nag-i-enjoy siya dun sa ginagawa niya the moment na naglalaro siya ng kung ano man nilalaro niya. Tapos magme-message ako, reply niya ako, laro siya ulit, message ako ulit, tapos baba niya yung iPad or naka-AFK siya or parang away from keyboard ata yung term na yun. Tapos mag-reply siya sa akin. Baba ulit ng phone, laro, chat ako, reply siya. 'Di ba? Napaka-sarap sa puso. Napakasarap sa puso na mayroon kami napapalaking bata na gano'n. Na hindi niya ipagpapalit kung yung magulang niya sa kahit anong laro, kahit anong kaibigan, kahit anong ginagawa niya. Nakaka-proud lang talaga yung napalaki ni Ate Marie at ni Tony na bata na si Tyrone niya. Sobrang consistent sa pagiging mabuti. Tapos ginagawa niya rin sa akin yun ngayon. Basta sobrang proud lang ako sa anak kong babae na yun. Mahal na mahal ko talaga si Tyrone niya. Yun lang. Dumalaw din kami sa aming kaibigan na si Coach Dane sa kanyang kondo. Kung maaalala nyo, si Coach Dane po ay bumbilya lang ang ilaw sa kondo. Kaya pagpunta namin, talagang chinek ko kung nagpalit na ba siya. WhatsApp flip number to. Patingin nga ng ilaw mo.
May bulb ba? Ito may remote din to. Di ba ba amigot ko? Oh, ay, grabe. Yun pa ba?
Bakit yung fluorescent pa din?
Hindi. Diyan kasi namin nalagay yung picture frame namin eh. Dalawa.
So hindi ka na bulb?
Hindi na. Wala. May budget na. Nakabili na tayo.
Okay.
Kaya wala ka siya magyaya kasi flex yung ano niya.
Hindi naman.
Gumagana ba yan? Yung electric pa na yan?
Yung ba? Nasaan yung ano natin ba?
Oo.
Baby, where's the remote for this one? Can you show natin ito?
Ay, walang remote.
Wala.
Okay lang. Ano ka ba?
Naman. Go.
Voice command. Voice command.
Remote na yan natin.
Ayun lang.
Wala.
4,
3.
2, wala na.
Wala eh.
Ay, ito.
Wala.
Gumagana rin yung isa. Okay lang, ano ka ba? Hindi naman pagkabawas sa pagkatao mo na hindi gumagana electric pa niya sa bahay. Ano ka ba? Ay, wag.
Ang hinhan eh. Hindi, tama lang yan kasi pag social, konti lang.
Oo. Aircon kasi, aircon lagi.
Wala. Meron yan.
Ay,
Meron ba umigat na 4 hours mo siya isiset?
Pwede nakapatay yung ilaw.
Tapos automatic siya mag-off.
So,
napakayabang yun naman sa electric pan yun naman.
sabi ko lang,
Ah, okay.
Para ano, in case na pasatulog tayo ng missile, lilipat tong kondo namin.
Tapos ko yung dalawa, lambingan naman. Hindi! Laplapan ng laplapan. Hindi na din napigilan ni Jowa yung pag-appreciate niya kay Tyronia to the point na nakukuwento at nasa-share niya na yun sa ibang tao. Yung sobrang proud na proud siya.
Every time I message her, she's replying immediately. That's why I still appreciate her so much. Like, if other kids, they're just gonna ignore their parents. Like, I don't wanna talk to you. I'm just gonna play here. But Tyrone, she still replies. Like AFK, her iPod is here. She's replying to me. Then ding, she replies again. She's growing, but still, she managed to put time to me. As a parent, you need to accept that she's growing.
It's inevitable.
She's growing. Super. If I could just turn back the time. I want the baby Tyrone. This is what I'm feeling. I know. Still, I'm not gonna change. Like, I'm the adult. I'm the daddy. So I will be the reminder. Alright, madam, I will redirect you. If you don't want my time, it's fine. Just tell me. But when you hear the truth, like, let's say for example, I ask her, do you want a movie with me and your mom? Like, yes, not. Me and Joe are waiting for her. Like, I know it's not coming, so let's watch Joe. But it hurts us a lot. She's growing. That's our enemy right now. We cannot stop that. She's growing.
And you also have to respect her.
Yeah. That's why right now, now I changed myself. Like, if she don't want to talk to me, like, I respect her because I need to respect her space also. And I'm starting that. Anak, we're gonna go to sooner or later. Do you want to join us? Daddy, she's gonna answer me like, Daddy, if that's what you want. No. That's why I ask you because we want you to go with us. Me and Joe talk and we want me to go. Like, alright, Daddy, if you guys want me to join you, I need to ask her because space is really important for the teenagers, right? We don't need to be like strict parents because strict parents create strict parents can create a sneaky kids. So I need to respect her.
Ayaw mo ako? Dali ko na. Nakatingin sa'yo. Sige na doon sa ate mo. Gusto niya sa'yo. Dribble na sila. Yay! Dribble yan sila. Yay! Dribble si my love. Yay! Ganun pala mag-dribble sila. Masasabi ko din talaga na grabe na yung growth ng jowa ko, ng Vicente ko, pagiging tatay niya. Pati ang mga vaccine ng mga bata, siya din yung nag-aasikaso. Kumbaga nagsischedule. Mga bagay na nakakagaan sa araw-araw ng buhay ko. Diyos ko. Pops, sigit ko lang. Thank you, The Med Club. Paulit-ulit na ako dito. Salamat kasi malaking parte kayo ng growth and development ng aking mga anak at lumalakas silang healthy ng dahil sa inyo. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Alam nyo ba na isa rin sa owner ng The Med Club, si Dr. RFD. Kumbaga, hindi lang kami sa Urban Smiles nagpupunta, sa The Med Club din para sa health ng aming pamilya, ng aming mga babies. So, eto na. Mag-birthday na siya. Malapit na. Nabalitaan ko na nahihilig siya sa isang bagay. Kaya, pinush ko na talaga. Advance birthday gift ko to sa'yo, Doc. Bawal mong tanggihan. Saan ka pupunta? Sa akin nababaliwan niya ngayon. Tuwang-tuwa siya doon sa mga koi fish. Kaya nagpunta na ako sa David's Koi House. Alam nyo ba na napakamahal ng mga koi fish? Minsan inaabot siya ng mga 100k pataas. Ganun siya kamahal. Isda lang yun pero ganun siya kamahal. Pero sa David's Koi House, hindi ganun kamahal. Mura lang sila. Noon kasi yon swerte na mag-alaga nun sa bahay at nakakatuwa kasi umaabot sila ng mahabang panahon, like 15 years to 20 years, yun yung nabalitaan ko. At lumalaki sila ng sobrang laki. Ganon. At syempre, bilang sobrang thankful ako kay Dr. RFD, ito yung birthday gift ko sa kanya kasi grabe niya rin alagaan yung pamilya namin. Again, sa Urban Smiles Dental Clinic at saka sa The Med Club. Kasi nga, napaka-importante nun. Tumatanda tayo at nagkakaroon tayo ng mga anak, kailangan nababantayan ng health nila. Kaya thank you, Doc. Huwag mong tatanggihan yan. Darating yan sa bahay mo.
Ano? Kanina pa ako dito. Nagaya po yung parents ko na sumayaw at magbanding daw po kami sa bago naming studio. Masaya po ako ngayon kasi ang sweet-sweet na naman po ng parents ko ulit. Parang di nag-away.
Happy 7 months, my love. Happy 7 months, my love. Happy 7, happy 7, happy 7 months, my love. Ay!
Happy 8 months, my love. Happy 8 months, my love. Happy 8 months, happy 8 months, happy 8 months, my love.
Sakto na yan ha, 8 months ka today. Yay! Sorry na, my love. Hindi na po mauulit. Okay, I'm sorry. Meron ka namang photoshoot ngayon with Baby Village eh. At ikaw today ang pizza delivery boy. Yat!
Nagising ako nang sumasakit yung tiyan ko. And paulit-ulit siya. Kumbaga parang may pattern. Noong una tinitiis ko pa eh. Pero naramdaman ko na parang palala na siya ng palala. Kaya sinabihan ko na agad si Doc Teng. And pinasugod yun na agad kami sa ospital. Kasi baka nga daw nagbe-preterm labor na ako.
Tumawag sa akin sila, Chong. Sabi nila samahan ko sila ni Papi sa ospital.
Okay, go. Huwag kita may catch. Ano lang ako.
Vlogger?
Uy,
Uy, vlogger kayo ah.
thank you. Ano ba yan?
Vlogger kayo. Tata. Regalo. Hindi kami nakapunta kahapon.
Kaya nga
eh. Kasi gawa nung inadmit si
Kamusta si Mitchell?
Baby andon sa taas. Sino yung silipin?
Sige lang.
Nasa taas. Hindi, okay lang. Doon nakaraan kasi inapoy ng lagnat.
Ngayon, okay na.
Ngayon medyo na. Pero mga ilang araw
Flu
na siya
season na.
mag-admit.
Flu season na rin kasi ngayon eh.
Oo.
Ulan na eh. Si Dodo nga, sinipon eh.
Grabe talaga pag bata talaga.
At kompleto talaga.
Kami talaga mga bata, mag-isa nga namin. Kaya medyo nag-iingat din ako eh. Mabilis
Baka
kami,
maano ka
mga
din.
bata.
Mahirap na.
Hirap na.
Mga ganyan mga matatanda na po.
Wow!
Matagal na protektuhan yan.
Sira ulo ka.
Asan si Papi?
Doon sa loob.
Sa loob eh. Bawal ka
Pasukin
dun
mo.
eh.
Bingo, si Wamos po papasok. Papasok.
Salamat Antoinette at Wamos. Kahit di kayo nakapunta, meron kayong regalo. Happy ang mga kids!
Nagsusuka ako.
Pansuka! Kuya, kailangan ko po pansuka.
Hindi na ako nakapag-video nun sa labor room habang nina-non-stress test ako. Kasi grabe nga yung pain ko. As in, di mo na ako makausap ng maayos. And iniisip ko na baka ito na, nagpe-preterm labor na talaga ako. Pero nakailang suka ako eh. Hanggang sa paglabas ko ng labor room at bago ako ma-admit, suka pa rin talaga ako ng suka. Tapos dun ko napagtanto na, inaatake ako ng hyperacidity ko. At hindi to preterm labor. Buti na lang talaga nandyan sila Harvey at saka si Mikay. Kaya mas napabilis yung pag-admit sa akin kaagad. Eventually naman, kumalma naman yung pagsakit ng sikmura ko. Pero kailangan ko pa rin daw i-ultrasound para malaman kung ano yung dahilan, kung bakit persisting yung pain ko. Kasi pwede rin na dahilan nun is meron na akong gallstones, kaya ako inaatake ng hyperacidity. Gusto mo makita si Mami eh? Ay, sige.
Nasa hospital mami mo ngayon, basta gusto mo makita si mami.
Namimiss ka rin kasi talaga si Mami niya.
Hmm.
O sige, sasabihin ko kay Mami, i-text niya or chat niya si Mami A, sabihin niya kay Mami A na namimiss mo na talaga si Mami A no. Okay? Huwag ka na malungkot. Sasabihin ni Mami Oni yun. Kulitin mo si Mami Oni. Sa kanya mo sabihin yan kasi magkausap sila ni Mami A. Nag-dance kayo.
Nanalo ka, nag-win ka.
Para may Papa Jesus ha. I'm gonna be home pag nagaling na agad ako. Hindi naman, we're not gonna be long, anak. If Mami is galing na agad. If Mami goes well agad, mauwi na agad kami. Kaya uwi na agad kami. Opo. Opo.
Sa totoo lang, naawa ako kay Papi. Pero wala din naman akong magagawa, kundi samahan siya katulad ng ginagawa niya sa akin pag ako naman yung may sakit.
Dahil nasa ospital kami nila Papi at Mikay, si Tony na muna ang nag-review ng episode. Kakaayos pa lang ng opisina, tapos biglang bumigay daw yung aquarium at nagbaha. Dahil andun ang studio at malakas ang vibration ng speaker, kaya bumigay yung dikit ng glass ng aquarium.
Tony, kalma! Magiging okay din ang lahat.
Meron po kaming dalaw sa bahay ngayon. At siya po ay nakabrief na. I think kilala niyo na kung sino siya. Nagkwentuhan lang kami, nag-catch up, kamustahan sa aming mga buhay-buhay, mga ganung bagay. At masaya kami na dumalaw sa amin si Kuya Rob kasi namimiss na rin namin siya.
Siyempre, ano pa nga ba? Hindi pagmamalaki ko, yung pinaghirapan ko, na opisina ko. Tour ko kayo ulit. Baka gusto ko, the business is booming.
Magkano? 10 pesos?
Pesos, kape, chocolate.
Ganun ka na ng ex.
Ito pa.
Ba't may sito?
Para sa ibang yun yan. Ayan. Ito. Bebang.
Pati mami.
Nasasaktan ako kay Bebang ko. Kasi, pag sa video call, sobrang sweet kami. Lagi kaming nagingitian, lagi kaming eat mo tata. Pero pag magkaharap kami, ayaw niya. Hindi siya happy. Atake namin ni Bebang, ang sakit eh. Pang online class lang kami. Hindi kami pwedeng face to face. Ayaw niya.
Nag-uusap kami ni Jowa. Biglang all of a sudden, may narinig kaming katok. At hindi ako delulu nun. Kasi dalawa kami ni Jowang nakarinig. At tumayo pa ako para pagbuksan kung sino man yung kumatok.
Ano daw siya? Wala pa. Pero siyempre ang buko. Pilit ko lang si Taki. Sabi niya, okay po, I'll go now.
Ayun sila.
Sige, kung katok. Yung pilit kumatok si ate.
Hindi, lang sila. lang.
Narinig niyo yun? Ulitin natin.
Ano daw siya?
Wala pa. Pero siyempre ang buko.
Okay lang sila.
Pilit ko lang si Taki. Sabi niya, okay po, I'll go now.
Ayun sila.
Sige, kung katok. Yung pilit kumatok si ate.
Hindi, lang sila. lang.
Paglabas ko, walang tao. Akala ko pa nung una, si Landon yun. Kasi playful yun, di ba? Mantitrip talaga siya, ganito. Pero wala eh. So, mas naggrabe yung pag-overthink ko na baka akyat bahay gang. Kasi wala talaga.
Simula po nung nabalitaan ko po na may kumatok po sa room ni Mami at Daddy, ayoko na pong matulog sa kwarto ko. Natatakot na po kasi talaga ako. Kaya, gabi-gabi po talaga, doon na ako sa kwarto ng parents ko, tumatambay at natutulog. Dito na muna ako matutulog. Hindi nga po kami makatulog. Kaya nag-decide po kami na dumalaw po kila Mama Marie.
Jowa, may ipis sa likod mo.
Today ay na-invite ako as hurado sa Showtime. Dito ko yung ba't sabi ko. Let's go po, Barbie po. Meme, bye-bye na po. Meme, bye. Salamat po. Saya.
Playtime kayo.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Tayo ulit.
Today's my birthday!
Super nice.
Yeah, it looks really good. Super.
I thought it's not gonna be like this. So I am having like tantrums last time. So, you love it?
Yes, I love it.
Nice.
It's really good.
Wow, it's so nice. Thank you, Mommy G. I really liked the birthday setup and it was very nice and I'm satisfied with how it was. The globe lights, everything, it was just amazing. I had a great time. So if you want this, just contact Mommy G. And this is their Facebook page.
My baby dad.
Ay, ang taray! Oh,
Your girl is here. So it's July 23, right?
No!
Just July 2. Oh my God!
It's his birthday, not yours.
Oh, it's your birthday. I thought it's July 23. Oh.
I overdressed si Mami Oni at si Ate Tyronia. Birthday mo?
Really?
The Johnson and the Monzo. Ano ba? What's your dress? Like, I thought it... Are you gonna party?
Yes.
That's the party dress?
Yes, this is the party dress.
Ate,
But I have fur. I'm wearing fur slippers.
are we overdressed?
No, you're not overdressed.
No, this is your birthday. This is July 23rd.
No, because you know why I cool down? I want to give you spotlights.
Have you seen the disco balls?
Yeah, that there.
Yeah, the other disco ball is here. Yeah, and then here.
Like, I don't want to, I let you guys shine. I always shine eh.
Wow, thank you, Tia.
You see? See? Ate Tony knows that I'm gonna be off-shoulder. Off-shoulder? Gaya,
No,
puto
because tonight is the vaccine day. We're ready for our vaccine. But how about Tyronia? Look at the...
Wow.
Oh my God. See?
Wow, pretty.
Tapos di mo lang kayo dress to impress.
Ay, naka-dress to impress kami. Naka-dress to impress kami.
Very short jorts.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Are you ready for your party?
Oh yeah. Happy birthday. Ate, ano ba yan? Wala akong mga kayo pakagatoy-latoy naman.
Tony, wala nang kasya sa akin. Wala nang kasya sa akin. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, naghanap ako sa damit.
Look at Ate Tony.
Remember,
Look at my
I was looking sa clothes. There's no fitting.
Black Angel.
Putang ina.
Mommy! Ay, Tyronia, ano? Oh, ganda oh.
That is why they look like that. Because they're, like, demonic. While the angel is here,
Dito na pala yung banda. Here's the band. Come on. Kanta mo na. Where's your guitar? Yeah. And this is your food. And this is my outfit. And that is the food. What's that? Bibingka, tapos ito yung outfit ko, te. Putang ina
hindi,
naman.
masarap yun.
Ate, every time I sit, it hurts. So if I have to say, I have to put this on. Ate, it hurts because it's stones.
Nice,
Yeah,
nice.
it's stones. Oh.
Baby daddy, I'm not dressed. This is not dressed to impress. I told you.
You look amazing.
Ate, parang ka magbe-beach. It's
No.
like there's a beach party. And you're wearing socks.
Why?
I thought dress party.
Dress party. Give me anak ko po.
But what about Ate Miki?
What about me?
Nakasapatos. Dito lang kami nag-ano.
What about Ate Miki's outfit?
What?
It's like, I'm gonna pay her $10.
Tong ina talaga
$10 is the highest rate of Ate Mitay. With Christmas bonus and with your bonus. And New Year bonus. With 13-month pay. Your Chinese New Year bonus.
Lahat ng bonus nandun na.
Come on, look at me. What's my rate? How many dollars? How much?
10.
Also 10? Ano ba 10 pesos? May $10.
Di ba ang OA? Kaya ayoko din pumunta sa party na yan eh. Like, English only policy? Like, bakit kami mag a-adjust para sa isang tao lang? Eh, nasa Pilipinas kami.
Baka 80-80 ka lang sa English.
Really, Mikay? Are you talking to me?
Don't touch me.
Bobo! Parang katawa ka na hindi naman tayo sabay nag-interview.
Ulit ako. Proud nga ako eh. Siyempre dahil proud ako, tutor ko ulit sila sa aking opisina. Let's go!
Special review ng bagong intro ng season 5.
Okay, I just want to say happy birthday, more blessings, and more birthdays to come.
Welcome to the family. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. And I'm speaking on behalf of the table. Just kidding. This is for you, brother. Terra Nova.
There's my gift in the yellow basket.
Can you pass the flip phenomenal soul paper bag, please? Thank you. Landon, first of all, happy birthday. You're like a little brother to us. So the reason that I gave you that gift is because before, when you were telling me that you really play basketball really well, I was doubting you. But after we played, it just proves that you can really ball. So I want to give you that gift. Oh, flip phenomenal soul! Number 2.
Hey, Blood. Happy birthday.
Thank you for taking care of ate and the baby. And thank you for the long patience.
Number 1, Sugay Manila! What's the number 1 brand? Sugay Manila! Thank you.
Ay, Coach Dave.
Happy birthday to you. This is much expensive than Kobe shoes. Okay? So, this is a really nice shoes. So, if you're gonna wear these shoes, you're gonna be number 1. No, just kidding. This is not just a simple pair of shoes. The reason why I gave this to you because you're not just a man that came into our lives. You're a really, really special addition to this family. Thank you so much for giving us Baby Maryland. And December 25. And thank you for accepting this family. Thank you for providing to your baby mama and to your upcoming baby. So I'd like you to open these shoes and see what's inside.
No! Oh my God!
You like it?
I love it. Thank you so much.
See? Expensive than Kobe, right? It's the budget. You know, the money. So itchy. Aray ko! Happy birthday and I love you so much.
May notes pa ako.
Ang gitara mo. Paano talaga kami ba namin? Ayun na yun natin vocals namin. Wait lang! Andito na yung grammar namin.
Happy birthday, Uncle Landon. Thank you for accepting this family and thank you for giving us baby Maryland.
Lil... Ay. Daddy Rob! May pinapakita... Ay, that pala English. Daddy Rob, he's showing me something. Lil bro, happy birthday. This is your first birthday here in the Philippines. So, what the right? Are you happy? Do you have this in America? Oh, di ba? Philippines #1. Happy birthday. Thank you for coming here in the Philippines. You are a big blessing to this family. For how many years, we've been really struggling with my sister's partner. So we're really happy that you love us like genuinely. We love you. Yeah, that's why this is our gift to you. And that's also our way of saying that thank you for baby mama, real good. That's from me and Tyronia. Yeah. Do you like it?
Happy birthday, baby daddy. You know that I love you so much. Even though it's your birthday, you're the one who gifted me something that I will never forget and treasure forever, and that's our baby. I'm thankful that you are loved by my family friends. I love you so much. And this morning when you were looking at me and you're saying that you love me and our baby, and you got teary-eyed saying that you think your dad will say that he's proud of you, baby daddy. I'm very, very sure that your family is proud of you. I want to give you the best because you are the best. This is my gift for you, baby daddy. So, open it. Wait. The best gift that I can give you and that you gave me is time. I love you so much. Happy birthday. You deserve it. Show them. Yeah.
Thank you guys. Sorry for crying.
It's alright.
First off, I want to thank my baby mama for everything. Just for being the best partner in the world. And to everybody here, thank you guys all for welcoming me when I came. It means a lot. And I love you guys so much.
Nakikringe ako sa parents ko, like sobrang OA nila. Ano? Huy, sayaw na sayaw?
Ay, bakit ayaw mo, Tyronia? O baka gusto mo, sayaw na lang kami ng tatay mo.
Nakakainis na nakakatawa. Yak po talaga. OA.
When I hear it coming up like that,
Pero in fairness po talaga, sobrang magka-vibe po si daddy at si mami ko. Hindi po sila nakainom pero parting-parte sila. Party! Ano? Why?
I'll just keep dropping it, like there's no stopping it. Then walk with it, la 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 la. I'll just keep dropping it, like there's no stopping it. Then walk with it, la 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 la.
This is my first birthday here in the Philippines, and this is also my first time having a big party. And I can't believe that I'm already 22 years old. I feel so old now. My birthday experience was great. This is honestly the best birthday I ever had in my life, you know, like I had a great time. Everybody was just positive vibes the whole night, and this is a night that I'll never forget.
Thank you, Kuya, for the truth. Like, it means a lot. You're just Kuya in the world, like you. Like you came here, you performed, you showed out. Like you made the party the best party I ever had in my life. It means a lot. I really appreciate it. Super. Thank you, bro. And I will work more to buy you more copies. Right? Thank you. The shoes you got me, you know, like that's a popular shoe here. Like the Travis. Yeah, like it's a super popular shoe in America. Expensive shoe too. So I appreciate all your hard work. It doesn't go unnoticed. Like you're my kuya here, like always. I promised that to your brother Jalen, that I'm gonna take care of Landon here, and I also promise you that I'm gonna take care of you. What I have right now, the Travis Scott, I want you also to have that. So if you can buy, but you know, I will work more. We will work more so we can buy you that shoe. Because if I have a Travis Scott, I want you to have a Travis Scott. And now, like, we can wear Travis Scott out together. Like, but I will... we can really go out matching. But I will buy that pair. I don't have that. Yeah. Get it. It's really thankful, Ate. With the shoes, with the bonding. Really blessing me.
Remember the moment I told you that I know someone's gift that's expensive?
Kuya Vince! Like, you really made my day. Thank you so much. Welcome. Love you so much. I love you so much.
Thank you, Barbecue Manila and Cafe Manila. The food and drinks were amazing. Thank you, AJP's food cart. The tusuk was very delicious. Chef Lay's Bake Shop, thank you for the cake. It was a very beautiful cake and it tastes very good. Thank you, Convista Mobile Bar, for coming out to my birthday and allowing all my friends and family to just have a good time and celebrate with some drinks. Thank you, YKG Catering Services. You never let us down. Your food was amazing, and you guys should really go try their food. Thank you, host Carissa, for adjusting and speaking in English the whole event. We all had a great time.
Pinapama ko ng birthday
boy. Please let Kuya Dane stay, because that will make my birthday 100%, okay?
I'll think about it, wait. I'll think about
Please,
it.
Paul, because he'll make it up to you when he gets home. He's gonna...
Yeah. Okay then.
Okay?
You promise you her, please!
Don't be mad.
I haven't used this for, very long time. Si Ed sasama ko.
Are you sure you're okay with it?
Mag-grab na lang kami ni Ed.
Hinatid na ang mag-ina ko kasi kailangan na magpahinga ni Tyronia at ni Tony. Pero hindi ko hinayaan na hindi kami magkaka-video call. Gawa nga ng natatakot silang dalawa dun sa kumatok sa bahay namin. Kaya hanggang makarating sa tahanan, magkaka-video call kami.
Nagbago na ako, OMG. Parang sobrang I'm a grown woman. Ganun yung atake ko. Dati pag inuman, hindi mo ako basta-basta magpapauwi. Ako ang huling uuwi. Hanggat hindi umaga, hanggat hindi tanghali, wala. Di pa ako wasak. Pero ngayon, ako yung naunang umuwi. Diba? Ang matured ko na, tang-ina. Woo! Ang aga. Showtime Day 2.
Ang cute nila Maymay at Tonyang ko. Sobrang grabe sila magbardagulan. Akala mo ang tagal na nilang magkakilala.
Ma, shoutout na lang tayo. Bye-bye.
Guest daw po ulit si Mami sa Showtime bukas. Kaya nagsusukat po siya ng damit. Nasa kwarto ko po yung salamin eh. Tapos sa pansin ko, parang kamukha siya ng karakter ko sa Grow a Garden.
Sabi parang sa room lang, simple si Mami dyan sa likod.
Kailangan ko ng ano dito, pang sapatos.
Maganda ka ba?
Kailangan medyo nakalit ka.
Mami, tayo nga yun.
Try mo nga yan. Ganyan ka.
Ano ba daw?
Bakit ka maganda? Bakit ka maganda?
Bakit? Ano yung sila ko?
Kamukha mo yung character niya sa Roblox.
Maganda ka lang ang sarap. Solo, di ba ako?
Bago niya rin umakit ka ng pulo. Tapos nasa taas na nakaganyan lang.
Bakit? Bakit tayo ka nakasarap ka? Bakit? Hindi ko ito naman.
Ganyan yung sa Roblox. Kwadrado kasi.
Ay, kwadrado ako.
Hindi. Hindi.
Hindi ko ito.
Hindi ko kasi ang chip mo eh.
Day 3, asurado sa Showtime. Yung gano'n, ano ba ganun? Ano mo to? Ano ba alam?
Babalik lang eh.
Okay.
Palabas lang.
Dami lang gano'n. Okay? Ang gano'n. Okay? Ano lang yung mag-gano'n? Bali mag-girl ka lang po. Okay. Hello po. Ang gano'n.
Okay.
Balik ako, ang gano'n.
Okay.
Nakita yung mag-ama, oh.
Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapanood, ito po ang aking Facebook page. Paki-follow na din. Yan, nag-upload ako dyan ng story ako kung sino si Tito Mel Feliciano and Tita May Feliciano sa buhay ko. Explain ko lang din sa inyo ng konti. Naging mentor ko sila. Naging choreographer namin yan sa Showtime way back 2009-2010. Kaya sobrang grateful ng puso ko na kasama ko sila after, grabe, 13 years. Alam mo yon, parang nakakatuwa na yung mga walang tigil na nagtuturo sa'yo na dapat mong gawin at na-apply mo at ngayon nakakasama mo ulit sila sa show na kasama mo sila mula noon tapos ngayon ulit gets ba ako? Basta yung ganung pakiramdam. At sa mga nagtatanong at tataka, yes po, bigla pong nawala ang Facebook account ko. Matagal ko na po siyang Facebook account, grabe, dekada mahigit na. At bigla na lang po siyang nawala na parang bula. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So wala po akong Facebook account ngayon and I hope na follow nyo na lang ako sa aking Facebook page. Ayan siya. Pang ilang Facebook page ko na din to. So grabe talaga yung heartbreak ko sa Facebook. Yan. I-follow nyo na lang po ako dyan kung gusto nyo po maging updated. Ganyan talaga ang buhay.
Going back naman po sa bahay, sobrang natatakot na po ako. Tapos sumasabay pa si Mami.
Mami! Mami! Tara na? Natin! Tara na! Okay mo, okay ka talaga.
Ako nagmula.
Sundali lang. Pepe, aalis lang ng mama, ha? Dito ka lang. Ako dito. Aalis si mama, magre-ready si mama, huwag ka pong makulit, babalik din ako, ha? Babalik din ako. I love you. Sorry. Alis lang si mami, ha?
Sabi niya, okay po, I go na.
Sip nung patok. Hindi mo ganyan kumatok si ate.
Ano ba yan? Sobrang OA. Over.
Next Saturday.
Sabi ko sa'yo, mga halugin, te. Gets mo, te, kahit simpleng up and down, no. Susuka ang bata, dedede na naman.
Google, yan mo yung
Walang Find My Device?
Pinatay niya na nga. Tinawag mo na ako.
Dami na sa baho ng kulang mo.